Hey everyone, it's Paul with your Bold Profits Daily. So today we are not going to be doing a market update because the markets are moving up. And so I want to talk a few things to you about what I believe is going on and what I believe is going to unfold over the next few months and for the rest of this year. So first of all, I have to correct something that I said. Normally, when you see markets go down like the way that we have seen it, oftentimes it's a curved bottom as people sort of test out and see, are folks willing to come in and buy? However, into a panic, which is really what I believe we have experienced, you can also have an alternative, which is called a V bottom, meaning it like that and right back. And why do I believe that we are going to experience a V bottom? So let's just break this down to really some small little details. If you think about what is going on right now, so we've got people that are practicing social distancing, so all activity has stopped. Meanwhile, we are still consuming a lot of things. People are still shopping on Amazon. I know I've brought a bunch of stuff off Amazon. People are still using things. However, on the other side, there's no one making them, right? And this is true not just for, say, food. It's also true for things like houses. It's also true for all the things that go into houses. It's true pretty much for every single part of the America 2.0 economy that I believe is going to come roaring back, bigger than ever, more powerful than ever, greater than ever. And it is going to be huge. It is going to be absolutely skyrocketingly huge and enormous. And it is going to astonish people, astonish them. That's right. And that's because there is so much latent, pent-up demand that when it finally recovers, it's going to be like an explosion higher. An explosion higher because every industry will have to run, not at 100%, they will have to run at 125%, 150%. And that means that it will be clear that the sales and earnings estimates for companies will have to rocket higher and the stocks of these companies will go up. Now, the truth is that one thing that I told you is still true, which is that you cannot wait for those sales to show up. You have to buy ahead of it. You have to buy ahead of it. It's the number one thing that most folks that are not professional investors miss, which is that stock markets look ahead. Nobody buys a stock for what has happened in the past. We are always looking forward. We are always looking forward and looking to anticipate what is going to happen, which is why you buy a stock. You buy a stock for something that's going to happen. And then when it happens, well, that's priced in. And so you've got to be in ahead of the big money coming to buy it. That way, the stock is in your portfolio, the money comes in, bids the stock higher, and those are gains in your portfolio. And right now, the stock market is telling you that it is beginning to anticipate the timing of the recovery. The next thing it will do is start to anticipate the strength of the recovery. And then it will also look to see which parts of our economy are going to benefit the most, fastest, and in the biggest way. And that's what I believe is happening right now with the overall stock market, with America 2.0 stocks, which in many cases have benefited from what has unfolded during this crisis. Social distancing has benefited so many companies, so many America 2.0 stocks, so many fourth industrial revolution stocks, because The ways that we have adopted will stick, and those companies are going to see that all that massive demand that they have seen come through over the last several weeks is going to stay. And now they will also be able to project sales and earnings going forward 1 year, 2 years. And as people see that, their confidence will rise and they will come to bid these stocks up. So how can you benefit? How can you benefit? Well, the number one way that I would tell you that you can benefit, focusing solely on America 2.0, amazing, incredible, phenomenal stocks, is to subscribe to my Profits Unlimited service, where we exclusively laser focus on America 2.0, fourth industrial revolution stocks of the new world. Click on those strong hands above there. I will take you to a page that will then take you to an incredible video that lays out every single thing that you need to know about America 2.0 and how you can get in. 2 amazing reports that you get with it. Click on those strong hands above, and that will give you all the details you need to subscribe to Profits Unlimited. This is my America 2.0 laser focus service, fourth industrial revolution laser focus service. Now, if you're like, hey, I've never heard of you, Paul, I don't know anything, well, then you need to go look up, all right, not the baseball bat. You need to go look up my STIX trade, STIX, 5 phenomenal ETFs that get you into the heart of America 2.0, the heart of this incredible, historic recovery that is coming in our economy that is going to smash records. It's going to smash records. It's going to be astonishing. And for that, you'll want the STIX trade, which is STIX. S stands for the Semiconductors ETF. T stands for the Solar ETF. I stands for the Housing ETF. The first X is for the Biotech ETF, and the last X is for the Industrials ETF. That's my STIX trade, and that will also get you into the America 2.0 recovery that is going to shatter records, that is going to be phenomenal, incredible. So if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment below. Are you going to subscribe to Profits Unlimited or join in the STIX trade? And make sure to follow me on Twitter at Mampilly Guru, and I'll have another one of these for you next week. Until then, this is Paul saying bye.